Super Green Tea of Agenix is a modern Richarch product. This is not a normal tea, but a medicine drink that protects your body from hundreds of diseases. We are not saying, say the scientists of the world. Which we are telling according to herb present in the Super Green Tea of Agenix. It is a tablet made from 10 herbs extracts. Almost equal to the normal 3 green tea bags in the market is in 1 tablet extract. Agenix green tea is made from the extract of 10 herbs. 1 green tea, 2 olive leaf, 3 ginseng, 4 basil, 5 ginger, 6 black pepper, 7 cinnamon, 8 lemon, 9 licorice, 10 grape seeds. Come in. The Agility Green Tea contains herbs that make you healthy. Green tea. Green tea is very beneficial for patients with type 1 and 2 diabetes. Green tea is rich in antibacterial properties and is helpful in reducing cholesterol and blood pressure. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, this tea contains abundant amounts of polyphenols, which have antioxidant, anti-cancer and antibacterial and antiviral properties. Green tea contains polyphenol catechins, which is lowering the bad cholesterol. In addition, it contains amino acids, enzymes, carbohydrates, magnesium, calcium, manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, protein and thionine. Drinking regular green tea can reduce the amount of bad LDL cholesterol up to 219 mg in 90 days, but the good thing is that it does not affect HDL cholesterol. Some other benefits of green tea. 1. Drinking it daily reduces body fat and reduces belly fat. This causes weight gain. 2. The oxidants included in green tea reduce hair fall and prevent worms in teeth. 3. Green tea helps in sugar control and also reduces cholesterol by daily intake. 4. Blood pressure is also controlled by green tea and increasing age of the drinker is also reduced to some extent. 5. Few people know about green tea that it is helpful in preventing cancer and also strengthen bones. 6. Children and the elderly can also be given green tea without any hesitation. Even green tea works to relieve pain in girls during periods. With green tea having so many benefits, we should take it instead of normal tea. Olive leaf. Tea made from olive leaf contains anti-inflammatory, anti-hypertensive and antioxidants that provide the body with the strength to fight against bacteria, fungus and viruses. Apart from this, it is also beneficial for people with arthritis. It also has a polyphenolic compound which improves blood circulation and also keeps the body healthy. Apart from this, olive leaves also have the strength to fight microorganisms such as fungus, bacteria, protozoa and viruses and also protects the body from all these microorganisms. It also has antifungal, antiviral and antibacterial properties. Ginseng. Ginseng acts as a drug to increase metabolism in our body. This does not change our calories, fat. Ginsenosides is a chemical present in ginseng that gives energy to our body as well as helps to melt our body fat and increase energy. Drinking ginseng tea keeps our blood pressure normal. It keeps the level of bad cholesterol in our body low. Blood sugar is reduced by drinking ginseng tea. The research found that ginsenosides chemical produces insulin in our body, which helps control sugar levels. Licorice. Licorice benefits. A cup of tea that will give you relief from colds and coughs and will also strengthen immunity. Consumption of licorice protects your liver from many diseases. Some other benefits of licorice tea. 1. People who are suffering from non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases, i.e. those who have an increased amount of fat in their liver. According to the study, it helps to reduce the amount of these enzymes. Not only this, but the bile extracted from licorice liver is also very effective in the secretion of juice, therefore licorice is very beneficial. 2. Licorice is used for the treatment of many diseases. It relieves asthma, depression, obesity, cold and flu. 3. Liver damage due to chemotherapy, so we should take licorice. They reduce the free radicals and toxic chemicals in the liver. For this reason, doctors recommend licorice to get rid of hepatitis B disease. Basil tea stimulates the body to release gastric juice needed for digestion, which makes digestion easier. Also, the problem of constipation is also seen in many people these days, so basil tea is also beneficial in constipation. Apart from this, it also helps to detox the liver and bladder. Black pepper, drinking black pepper tea is also beneficial for sinus infection in the nose. Pepper tea proves very useful even in stomach problem. Drinking this produces hydrochloric acid in the stomach. It helps in flatulence, constipation and other stomach problems. It contains antioxidants which prevent free radicals. Relieves cold, cough, cold, fever and respiratory diseases. Cinnamon. Cinnamon contains polyphenol antioxidants that reduce the risk of heart diseases by controlling BP. It also increases insulin sensitivity and thus keeps sugar levels under control. Drinking cinnamon tea in the morning improves metabolism and digestion, which helps in reducing obesity. Indians mostly drink black tea, which has a lot of nicotine content. By damaging the liver, heart, nervous system, black tea causes many diseases in our body. Black tea, boiled with milk, is like a slow poison. Drinking green tea, except black tea, will be a step to save the health of Indians. After knowing so many benefits, why delay in drinking green tea from Agenix? Agenix has brought for you even cheaper modern green tea than black milk tea at your home. Let's save money. Why not start drinking health benefits tea? You can make 3 cups of normal tea with a tablet of Agenix green tea. If you drink for health, then you can drink 1 tablet of 200 ml tea 2 to 3 times. You can consult your health advisor or doctor before use. Come make India healthy and prosper. Adopt quality products from Agenix.